Yeah, know what I'm saying? Yeah. I'm an assassin with the penmanship. Check the swordplay. With the gun I leave bitches wet, just like foreplay. Green niggas all day, we posted in your hallway. Breed a lot of Vikings, just like Agent No Way. Troops follow like a shadow, sit on a golden saddle. Anytime the general monk rises to battle, the sound from the barrel make the fucking snakes rattle. And deep to me is shallow, way to sit to put the gallows. Poisonous thoughts I toss when I lace these tracks. Raw as the late 80s rap. Laugh till I cry when I see you niggas post your baby stacks. Your favorites ain't got nothing on these crazy stats. Think I might be the greatest. Built with the creators, want a mansion with a swimming pool built on 100 acres. You can't toss out with the movers and the shakers. Or so through the clock, I take food from the gators. War. Bite force like that of an hyena. You dealing with some dirty niggas, gotta come cleaner. La Maquina, you die in this arena. Two can play the game just like Venus and Serena. Poker face when I fish up on the block. 30 on my hip like a motherfucking cop. The pressure ain't gon' motherfucking stop till I see my niggas at the motherfucking top. I tell them if I help them when I win too. Looking out for my people and that's what kings do. My tongue is sharper than a Ginsu, so you know the flow is tighter than the gym suit. Y'all don't rap, yo, just make a lot of noise. As a gladiator, I scored a lot of points. Back up before you catch one in the groin. They rewarded you to 30 silver coins. Whoa.